everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change font size on Webull application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open Webull application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into the account as well. Now, from the main home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up your profile where you'll need to tap on settings. Under the settings menu, tap on general. You will be able to see the font size option. Simply tap on it. Now, simply go ahead and drag the slider below in order to choose the font size of your preference. You can select between large and standard. Simply go ahead and drag this little slider and pick your font size according to your need. After you are done, you can get back and start using the application. As you can see that I've just changed the font size and my font now looks bigger and fuller. So that is how you can easily change your font size on your Webull application. If you ever want to change it back to something smaller, you can simply go to the general tab and then tap on font size and drag the little slider at the bottom. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.